Citroen lovers, one question. What fails mostly in the winter for Citroen C5 X7? Yeah, that's right, the hood cable plastic handle. So today we will replace one. Let's go! And this is that unlucky guy which always fails in the winter when gets some moisture into the cable itself. I have one already repaired, but it's not very beautiful, not very nice, and it's touching the hood itself, leaves some marks, and I have found a replacement for just €6. So why not to replace and make this car look better and more factory. And here I have that replacement part. It cost me €6.40 in Lithuania. It looks exactly the same as the original one. It has all necessary clips. Let's open it up. Looks exactly the same, but it's not the original. It's made by Max Gear manufacturer. I hope it will last for me as long as I will have this car, and if it breaks I won't mind very much. Replacement is quite simple and straightforward. You just have to lift this part up. It comes out from the plastic cover. There's that one little clip holding it, and this lip holds on this edge that plastic holder. So lift this up and take it out. Next part where it is fixed is the cable itself. It's held by this plastic clip. You have to press it with the pliers and take it out, just like this. Press and try to move it into the hole, and it came out. Now the body of the cable is placed into fitting of this plastic cover, and that's it. That unlucky cable with its handle comes out. As you can see, it was fixed by putting a plastic piece and fastening it to the leftover of the handle with 2 rivets. But unfortunately this plastic is not right for this case, because in summer it gets very flexible and it's not very convenient to open the hood, and as I said, it is touching the hood and damaging the paint. And replacement costs just few euros, so why not replace it? Let's check how it works. I hope that it won't lock itself. It's too short. Yeah. Looks like it's too short and preventing the lock mechanism to come back to its place. God damn it, that's the price what you pay when you buy unoriginal parts, and you buy them very cheaply. This time the cable was is not very quality made, and the length of the cable is too short. Come, I will show you. So look, I have placed those two cables aside. Handles at the bottom, they are closed completely. So ends of the cables should be at the exact length, but look what we have here. We can see that the original cable, this one, is longer about 10 millimeters. So those clips are located at different locations, at different lengths, and when this new cable is too short, it prevents the hood lock to lock properly. So when I put the new cable into this hole, and as it is too short, it holds this lock at this position and prevents it to go to its right position. And when the hook comes into the lock, this part is held here by the cable, and it doesn't let the hook to come into the lock. I decided to try to shorten the cable cover to the right length, and so firstly what to do, I have to put that handle to its place when it's closed. Make sure it's all the way down. Make sure this one is all the way down also, and the cable is all the way out. Then you have to place them side by side and mark the correct length. Length of cables looks quite similar. Now I can put it to the car and test it. Now it moves very easily, very freely. So probably I'm not the only one who have burned his fingers with unoriginal parts. So don't be like me, buy original parts, and if you buy an original, firstly measure it if it fits. Good luck to everyone, bye!